you ever lost access to your Microsoft account? Recovery codes are your lifesaver. Let's dive in. First, head to the Microsoft Account Security page. You'll need to be logged in for this. Scroll down until you find Security Info. This is where you can manage your recovery options. Click Add Method and select Recovery Code. This initiates the generation process. After that, Microsoft will generate a unique recovery code for you. Keep it safe! And that's it! You now have your recovery code, a key to regain access whenever needed. Remember to store your recovery code in a secure location. It's crucial for your account's safety. Regularly review and update your security info. Staying proactive is key. If you ever forget your password, your recovery code will get you back in quickly. Thanks for watching. For more tips on account security, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe online and safeguard your digital life with recovery codes. See you in the next video with more tech tips. Bye.